Closing market comments for Monday, January the 11th. USDA report will be out at noon tomorrow, so we'll have to see what the numbers are and what impact it has on the market. Markets opened stronger last night, trading back up to near new highs. Corn traded at $5.50 on the March, soybeans at $13.88 3/4. So both were strong early, but could not hold it. Sold off. Corn was down a nickel at one point, then rallied back to trade about unchanged before the break, and after the break the markets kind of sold off and just were never able to quite bounce back. I think we had some funds taking profits out before the report. USDA did announce the sale of 132,000 metric tons of soybeans to China this morning and 108,500 metric tons of corn to Colombia. Don't ever remember selling corn to Colombia, so I don't know what that means. So a couple good sales again. China did sell wheat out of their reserves last night, 2.1 million metric tons. That was 52% of what was offered out for sale at an average price of $9.76 a bushel in U.S. dollars. Rainfall fell over the weekend in South America, did lend some support to the crop, but not enough to end the drought. Striking farmers in Argentina this morning because of the export ban that the government put on there. They've now offered to go to a 30,000 metric ton per day sales cap, and we'll have to see what will happen, how the farmers react to that. Funds on Friday, the position was released as of last Tuesday the 5th. Funds bought 18,000 contracts of corn for the week. They're at 395,000 contracts. They bought 8,500 contracts of wheat. They're short 1,700 contracts. And they sold 9,700 contracts of beans, but they're still long 165,200. It's not record positions, but it's not far. 446, I think, is the record on corn, so not too far below. Weekly export sales or shipments were released this morning. Corn at 44.5 million. That's up from 42.9 a previous week and 19.0 last year, with 31 to 47 expected and 61 million needed per week. We just can't get those corn exports up. We're only at 24% of shipments of the USDA projection. Soybeans, 65.4 million. That's up from 64.7 last week and 42.3 last year, with 37 to 73 expected, 21.2 needed, and we're at 68% of the annual shipments needed on soybeans, so well ahead of normal. Wheat, 10.3 million bushels shipped. That's down from 17.5 the previous week and 20.6 last year, with 9 to 17 expected and 21.2 needed per week. Wheat shipments are at 57%. And remember, wheat marketing year ends at the end of May, so we're probably about right on target for the wheat exports. Okay, again, report out tomorrow. We'll see what happens. We'll get the numbers out to you. Thanks for watching. Have a good week.